How's it going, fellow gamers? My name is Cuyoya, and today I'll be showing you the proper way to wash your hands and keep that awful coronavirus away. Now, we as gamers can't just wash our hands like normies. Instead, today I'll be showing you the way that a real gamer washes their hands. So the first step is as per normal. Rinse your hands off with some water in preparation for lathering with soap. Next, you want to actually lather your hands with hand soap. Oh yeah, lather those hands up. Scrub-a-dub-dub, epic. Alright, now that our hands are properly lathered with soap, we've got to do what all real gamers do. Grab the nearest can of your favorite form of gamer fuel and begin rinsing your hands off with it. My gamer fuel of choice is root beer. However, other forms of gamer fuel such as Mountain Dew and Dr. Pepper will work just as effectively. I just gotta open this stupid can of... There we go! Oh yeah, our hands are looking cleaner as we speak. Now that we've thoroughly rinsed our hands with our favorite form of gamer fuel, the next step is to lather our hands in Dorito Dust. You can either use the dust found at the bottom of your Doritos bag, or pre-crush some Doritos you have left over. Whatever works best for you. Ah yeah, look at those lathered up Dorito hands. Finally, rinse off your hands with water. Now those are some clean looking hands. If you want, feel free to take an extra sip of whatever's left over in the sink. It'll fuel you up good, trust me. Lastly, if you want to be extra efficient, use your poop rag that you've been washing over and over in order to wipe your ass instead of using toilet paper to dry off your hands. Now that's an epic gamer hand wash. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe so you don't catch that coronavirus.